In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove Xbox controller battery. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. A lot of the Xbox controller models are going to be powered by standard AA batteries. So, in order to remove the battery that you are using and replace it with new ones, you need to remove the battery cover. So, it is going to be this cover at the back of your Xbox controller. You will see the gap here for the opening, and you can clearly notice that there is an arrow pointing upwards. All that you have to do is grasp this firmly using your fingers and pull it out upwards. This is going to be held in place by 2 or 3 clips, and by pulling it upwards with enough force, these clips will be undone, allowing you to access the battery department. There is no secret to this. Once it is open and you have removed this cover, you are now able to remove the old batteries. Always try to charge up new batteries, and if you notice any sort of corrosion, it is critical that you remove them. And after you have them removed, you will be able to insert new ones. Make sure that you pay attention to the polarity. One side is going to be marked with a plus and another one is going to be marked with a minus, like this. You simply have to align it with the contacts here. So usually this one will be the plus side, and for the other one, you will do it in an inverted format. Check for any sort of markings on your controller, if it is a different model or if it doesn't work right away, but as long as you line the AA batteries properly in place, they will allow you to use the controller without any issues. After you change this, don't forget to put the cover back into place, so it is essentially the same process, but in reverse. You simply press it down and the clips will latch, and then you are good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove Xbox controller battery. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.